Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to do a review about Mi Bluetooth speaker basics 2. I have used this Bluetooth speaker for the last 2 years and I am really satisfied with this product. We have an aux cable input, so you can use aux cable to play music. At the top we have two buttons, one is the power button and the other is volume button. The front side is plasticky to touch and it feels like a cheap material. At the edges the speaker is wrapped with a metal and it is really nice to touch. At the rear side we have two ports. One is the aux cable input port and the other is for charging. You can use your micro USB connector to charge this Bluetooth Bluetooth speaker. At the bottom side we have two small stands which will lift this Bluetooth speaker when you place it on your table, and it is really useful. There are some writings on the Bluetooth speaker at the bottom. Seems like the manufacturer is Xiaomi technology. A microphone is provided at the top side of the speaker, so you can attend calls with this Bluetooth speaker. The largest hole on the center is the microphone. When you turn on the Bluetooth for the first time, there will be a blue and red light blinking together. The red light indicates that the Bluetooth speaker is not connected with any devices. So after this we need to connect it to our smartphone or PC. When you charge your Bluetooth speaker, the red light will be converted to a pink light. You can listen to music with this Bluetooth speaker even if your Bluetooth speaker is charging, and that's a big advantage. Let's connect this Bluetooth speaker to a device. Now we have connected our Bluetooth speaker to our PC, and the blue light will be always on in this condition. Now the music that you are going to hear is from the Bluetooth speaker and it's not the BGM of this video. The sound quality of this Bluetooth speaker is above average, and I won't say that the sound quality is superior, but it is good enough, and it has really good bass and I am very satisfied with it. I could use it for about 4 to 6 hours if I was using. Only disadvantage of this Bluetooth speaker is that if there is a barrier between the device and this Bluetooth speaker, you cannot listen to your music without interruption. Something that I have noticed in this Bluetooth speaker is that it is having pairing issues with almost every devices after using it for about few months. Anyway, it sounds good, but I think you might find some connectivity issues. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more videos.